3 days of summer savings, 30 to 70% off. A direct hit on the bullseye of buyer's psychology. Here the word off is seen as the word free. The magic words discount and off have become a part and parcel of online stores. If you think is 70% discount is real, we'll be thinking and we will not get a solution, right? So if you ask me, are huge discounts are real or unreal, I would say it's surreal. Dear Toastmasters and guys, there can be only two genuine reasons for huge discount. One, the clearance sale. If the stock spikes up and there are no takers, to consolidate the profit, the online shops decide to clear the sale. Rather than keeping it idle for a longer time, better to have some money out of it. In case of consumer goods, it may not be a long period, but the brands, the models becomes outdated. So the second reason is substandard. Also we can say spurious. The fake brands or products made out of cheaper raw materials can be given a huge discount. Even they give a huge discount, they will make a profit. But top brands cannot give huge discount. Last Friday I was going through to one of the online shop and I was checking shoes with huge discount. There were 32, but all are out of stock. I kept on checking 6 other top brands, again all are out of stock. How can it be? At least shoe size 11 should be there, right? I don't think apart from these two, there is no reason to give huge discount. But online shoppers, they have their own justification. They say they buy bulk from the manufacturers. It's purely depend upon the product and how much potential the product has in the market. For example, they cannot purchase 10,000 pieces of electric shave. If they do, they have to sell 30 pieces every day throughout the year. But in the case of t-shirt, they can do it. They can buy and laugh. But the number of quantity decides the price. I agree that bulk purchase can reduce retail price. But can it be 70% less than the market price? And another justification they give is there is no middleman, there is no agency involved. But apart from that, all the expenses incurred are same, be it a physical retail shop or the retail shop. It has a transporting cost, it has a labor cost, it has admin expense, it has VAT, it has all overheads. And interestingly, unlike the normal shop, when we buy items through online, they pack it very carefully with sophisticated packing material, from where they collect the cost of those materials from. And they give another justification. Festive season, special day. Of course, on the special day, people buy a lot of product than any other ordinary day. So the selling volume goes high. We have seen New Year sale or Diwali sale or Christmas sale. But in recent years, we are seeing even Sunday become a special day. Are these justifications convincing? No. Here are the actual facts. The online stores are not actually shops. They are marketplace. Marketplace is the one where sellers come and spread their product for selling. it acts as a link to buyer and seller. And again, they do some add-on services like collecting a payment and transportation or storing. And the fact number 2 is these marketplaces suggest the discount price or percentage to the seller. They don't compel, but sellers take it as it is because these are funded by the same marketplace. The discounts also funded by marketplace. The third fact is any particular day all the items will not be at the discount. Some are lowest priced and some are pretty heavily priced. So even they sell one item is a heavily priced item, they can get profit of 2. So all these facts can accommodate some percentage of discount, but not for all. So what the online stores does is they have another tactics which Wall Street Journal terms it as price anchoring. Price anchoring is a technique to increasing a price before a big discount. So 90% of online stores follow this technique. Let me show you some examples. This jeans was 700 rupees in August until October. On October 3rd, it is 1,520, 117% increase. Here the bedspread. It is 700 in August, and just before Diwali it was 199. Even electronic items, this TV, it was 35,000 in the last November, and just before Republic Day it was 41,000. This 3 are just a simple 3 samples I have given you. You can check it yourself. Go and browse for any item, any online stores, note the price. On the day when they declare 70%, 80% discount, compare the price. You would wonder. So my dear friends, these surrealistic discount leads us to enter into a surreal world just by clicking a mouse. So next time if you see 70%, 80% discount, take a deep breath, but don't dive it. Remember these facts. Happy shopping. I can take questions.
So what about the coupons and all which we
That is not a real money actually. That is also surreal. So all the buyback, that Paytm stuff, you are not feeling it. You feel you get some money, but it is not real.
You put this graph for last 6 months, right? So
Yeah.
are there any websites from where we can go and see how this particular product is priced in the last few months?
Yeah, there are some sites. I cannot tell now, but there are some sites. It will compare all the online stores, all the prices, and it will give a graph.
We are getting the cashback, bank cashback. So those are the real money. So how do
No, that is other way of discount. Discount, they are saying they are reducing the money and giving it back. The cash back, they are giving money, but that cash is again added. Price anchoring.
Again, you have to explain for that. So once I was supposed to buy, there was discount. Then after discount, the t-shirt cost was 1 rupee. So should I go for buy?
That is what, there can be two genuine reasons I told. Maybe the clearance, maybe that is manufactured in 1980.
Just 1 rupee.
Some of the product actually they're making as a big hype. The season, open will be on 25th. So only one day that was open. So what is the funda behind that?
I didn't research it, still I can, based on this calculation I can say. That is what, they get advantage of selling one item and taking a profit of 2. Actually on that day you cannot judge that really that price is worth for that item. You don't know. It says just one day this much. We are not going anywhere and checking whether there is a real cost or not. So that is again biopsychology that it.
So what is your suggestion to audience to buy when with discounts? What kind of discounts?
Yeah, throughout this speech, I was telling about the huge discount. 60, 70, 80, it's impossible. But if they are giving 20, 30, it can be real. That is genuine.
So you mean that you suggest that if there is a 20% or 30%, then we can believe it?
Yeah, right. That is what. Actually, if you see, the middleman, the agency margin, it will be around 20 to 30. So if there is no agency, that 30% they can get. It is possible.
But I feel that when you need, you can buy it. You don't wait for discounts.
One last question. No?
How long was
One
the
more.
research done?
It's been 2 months. So thank you so much. So happy shopping again.